Good morning, students. On the previous video on metallurgy, I have discussed about different steps involved in the extraction of metal from its ore. And the steps are: first step is crushing of ore, and second step is concentration of ore, and third step is uh, conversion of metal ore into metal oxide, and after that, reduction of metal oxide to metal, crude metal. And the final or last step is the refining of crude metal or purification of crude metal. And there are several methods of purification or refining of crude metal. And according to reduced syllabus, you have to read about only about liquefaction, distillation, and electro refining. These three refining process. So first refining method is liquefaction. Using this method, you can refine tin, lead, mercury, bismuth, these low melting metals. And this method is used for refining the metals having low melting point than the impurities. And distillation, this method is useful for purification of uh, zinc, mercury, these metals. And this method is useful for low boiling metals such as mercury, zinc. And the impure liquid metal is evaporated to obtain the pure metal as distillate. Next method is electro refining. In this method, impure metal forms the anode while the cathode is a rod or sheet of pure metals. You have already studied about electro refining class 10. Purification of copper. Purification of copper. And for that, you have to use impure copper rod as anode and pure copper rod as cathode. And you have to take copper sulfate solution as electrolyte. And on passing electricity, the impure metal get deposited on the cathode. Impure metal get deposited on the cathode as pure metal, while the insoluble impurities present in the impure metal settle down below the anode as anode mud. So using electro refining, you can refine copper, silver, gold, chromium, zinc, nickel, these metals. And zone refining, vapor phase refining, this method not given in the reduced syllabus. Okay, now occurrence and extraction of some metals. So first metal is uh, iron. Aluminium not given in your reduced syllabus. So first, iron, extraction of iron. Occurrence, that is ores of iron is hematite. Ores of iron are hematite, magnetite, these are Fe2O3, Fe3O4. And common method of extraction is reduction of the oxide of iron with carbon monoxide and coke in blast furnace. And you have to remember the different types of reaction occurring in the different temperature region in the in the blast furnace. It is given in your book, you can check. And the iron obtained from the blast furnace containing about 4% carbon and many impurities in smaller amount such as sulfur, phosphorus, silicon, manganese. And this iron is known as pig iron. The iron obtained from blast furnace contains about 4% carbon and some impurities such as sulfur, phosphorus, silicon, manganese. This iron is known as pig iron. Next, cast iron. Cast iron is obtained from pig iron. Cast iron is different from pig iron and is made by melting pig iron with scrap iron and coke using hot air blast. It has slightly lower carbon content, about 3%. In pig iron, the carbon content is about 4%, and in cast iron, the carbon content is about 3% and extremely hard and brittle. And another type of iron is wrought iron. This is the purest form of commercial iron. Wrought iron is the purest form of commercial iron, and it is prepared from cast iron by oxidizing impurities in a reverberatory furnace. And wrought iron, cast iron, and pig iron, the difference between this iron is a difference in amount of carbon present in this iron. And the purest form of iron is wrought iron, and wrought iron is obtained from cast iron. Next method is next metal is copper, Cu. Ores of copper is copper pyrite, CuFeS2, copper glance, Cu2S. Common method of extraction is roasting of sulfide partially and then reduction. Roasting of sulfide ore partially, copper sulfide, and then reduction. And mixture of copper sulfide and iron sulfide, FeS, is called matte, copper matte. Copper matte is the mixture of copper sulfide and FeS, ferrous sulfide. And blister copper, these are two important points. One is what is copper matte. Copper matte is a mixture of copper sulfide and ferrous sulfide, and blister copper is the impure copper. Blister copper contain 96 to 98% copper with small amount of silver and gold as impurity. You have to remember these two terms, blister copper and copper matte. Next method is next metal is zinc, Zn, zinc. Ore of zinc are zinc blende, that is ZnS, calamine zinc carbonate, zincite, that is ZnO. Common method of extraction, roasting followed by reduction with coke. Roasting of ore of zinc, and then you have to reduce with the help of coke. And the metal may be purified by fractional distillation. Zinc is purified by fractional distillation, and the 97 to 98% pure zinc is known as is called spelter. You have to remember this term also. So what is spelter? It is 97 to 98% pure zinc is known as spelter. Okay, okay student, thank you.